This is Revell Contacta Professional, and as far as plastic-weld goes, it's pretty good stuff, but it has one major issue with it, and that is it's fed with this tiny little tube just here. And the problem with that is, said tube gets blocked up. This is how you unblock it. First of all, take a pair of pliers, pull out the tube. Secondly, get yourself a lighter and just burn out all of that glue. That little flame at the end, that is the glue burning off. There we go. No extra spark, so I think we're good. And then give it a second to cool down. I'm just going to blow on it. And it's quite thin metal, so it cools down quite quickly. See, that's already enough to touch. And then it's just simply a case of shoving it back into the dispenser at a length that suits you. I like it a little bit longer, like that. And away you go. You are ready to stick things again. Alright, hope that's helpful to someone. And I hope that you have a good day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.